Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. So, we have a center. Ayan. So, maaari ng iba sa inyo rito, Pisces, is going to focus on yourself. Maybe you're going deep within you. Maaaring gusto mong mapag-isa, magnilay-nilay, magmuni-muni sa ngayon. Maybe you are seeking for something from deep within you. Baka naghahanap kayo ng clarity, ng illumination, maaring ganon. Baka merong mga sitwasyon na naguguluhan ka, may mga bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan sa sarili mo, may mga ganon siguro kayo. Kaya you're going to go deep within you, no? At parang gusto mong anuhin yung sarili mo ngayon. Gusto mong diskubrehin, yung mga bagay na to na gusto mong madiskubre about yourself. Kaya you're going deep within you. Mag-tune in ka ngayon sa soul mo, sa sarili mo. You're going to reconnect with yourself. So, what else? We have grounding. Yan na nga, earth and presence. See? Talagang ka ngayon, you will be focusing on yourself. You're going to reconnect with yourself. You want to bring the balance back in your life. At isa na nga sa way para magawa mo yan, may balik ang balanse, mag-ground mo yung sarili mong muli, at makabalik ka sa focus is, yun, magmuni-muni ka, mag-stillness ka, mag-solitude ka, go deep within you, no? Kasi meron kang mga maiisip dyan, no, sa sarili mo, meron kang mga madidiskubre about yourself dito, no, na po pwedeng meron kang mga strengths and weaknesses na madidiskubre about yourself, yung mga ganon. At when you are connecting with your soul as well, maganda yan, no, na maririnig mo kung ano yung gusto ng soul mo. No? Your soul knows kung anong direction na dapat mong tahakin. Your soul knows kung ano yung path na dapat mong tahakin at this time as well. Kaya, yun, mas magandang kayo. Magandang i-ground din nyo ang inyong sarili, no? So, we also have completion, release, and change. Okay? So, may pagbabago magaganap. So yung na to, energy na to is fall season, kumbaga. This is autumn season sa buhay ninyo. So, time for releasing, time for purging, time for letting go of things, or situation, or people in your life. Pwede rin na this is ending, no? Meron ditong mga magtatapos na kayo na ginagawa, meron na magtatapos dito na mga task, something like that in your life, alright? Pwede rin na meron ditong siguro mga projects kayo na matatapos na sa ngayon, kaya that is also going to change, diba, the course of your life. This is also releasing, no, of anyone sa buhay mo na hindi na nagsiserve ng inyong highest good. Kaya, when there is ending as well, ibig sabihin, there is new beginning, diba? Kapag merong magsisimula, merong magtatapos, no? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para kay Pisces. So, we have fair woman. Ayan, dealing sa relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Ayan, so you may be dealing with this fair woman around this time. O pwedeng si fair woman is, this could be anyone, pwedeng manager mo to, pwedeng boss mo siya, pwedeng asawa mo, pwedeng nililigawan mo, pwedeng girlfriend mo. So, this could be anyone in your life, no? Si fair woman. But, yeah, maybe she's going to play significant role sa buhay mo at this time. So, we have victory in some endeavor. So, napakaganda kasi meron kayong mga pagtatagumpayan. Maari na yung completion na ito, ito yung tagumpay mo. This could be a task, this could be a project, or kung ano man, na maaring related sa negosyo, trabaho, or career mo, na yun ang matatapos mo, yun ang tagumpay mo. Yun ang nandoon yung victory na to, no? So, good luck and congrats. So we also have love. Ayan. So love is in the air. So it's also love month, 'di ba? Kaya po pwedeng sa ngayon, isa sa mga areas of life na magiging focus mo is also your love life. No, baka sa ngayon mas magbibigay ka ng mas maraming oras, quality time, with your loved ones, with your person. Pwedeng ganon. O pwede rin ang iba sa inyo rito baka meron dadating, no, na bagong karelasyon, no, lalo-lalo na kung kayo ay single pa. Kaya congrats. Exciting event, yung completion na yan, maaring may celebration, pwedeng ganon, or yung completion na yan, no, since that is your victory, no, that could be something that you are going to celebrate as well. Baka i-announce pa yan, no, yung ganon. Or po pwedeng yung exciting event na to could be pwedeng merong mga wedding, pwedeng meron ditong engagement, 'di ba, na magaganap. Kaya congrats sa iyo. We have scissors, disappointment in some affair. Ayan. So, kung merong tagumpay, ang iba, baka meron din at the same time. May mga bagay kayo na madi-disappoint kayo at in some areas, no? Well, life is not perfect, hindi ba? Kaya hindi puro heaven tayo. Sometimes, meron talagang dadating na mga disappointment, meron talagang dadating na mga nakakabwisit, nakakainis, yung mga ganon. But, yeah, that's part of life, diba? We just have to embrace it. We just have to deal with it. So, we also have spare heartache over what you no longer have. Ang iba siguro sa inyo, yung baka disappointment ninyo is this. 'Di ba? Hanggang ngayon, maaaring hindi pa rin ninyo ito na solve or hindi pa rin ninyo ito na overcome, no? Wala na sa iyo kung ano man itong sitwasyon na to or bagay na to or tao na to, it's no longer part of your life, pero hanggang ngayon parang you can't get over it yet. Diba? Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ninyo na-overcome ito. But, everything is a process. No? Yung healing siguro wala pa sa inyo. Hindi pa dumadating sa point na you are ready to heal. No? Kaya, ano lang kayo, sumabay na lang kayo sa agos ng buhay. And you can also help yourself, 'di ba? Kasi kapag may acceptance na, papunta na 'yon. Pero kapag hindi mo pa natatanggap, hindi pa pumapasok sa isip mo yung acceptance sa kung ano man ang nangyari, talagang hindi ka pa makakapag-forgive, mahihirapan ka pang tanggapin ang sitwasyon na to at mahihirapan ka pang ma-overcome ito. No? But yes, it takes time talaga. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.